In this video, we'll show you how to install an APK in BlueStacks. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. Before you begin, make sure BlueStacks is already installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, open the link provided in the description or pinned comment and download BlueStacks. Follow the setup instructions to complete the installation. Next, open your preferred web browser and search for AppMirror. Visit the official AppMirror website and use the search bar to find the APK you want to install. For example, if you want WhatsApp, simply search for WhatsApp and open its download page. Scroll down to the available downloads section and choose a version that suits your device. When you see the download options, select Download APK rather than Download APK Bundle. Save the APK file to your computer. Now open BlueStacks. On the right-hand side of the home screen, you'll find an APK install icon. Click it, and your file explorer will open. Browse to the APK file you downloaded, select it, and click Open. BlueStacks will begin installing the application automatically. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once completed, the app will appear on your BlueStacks home screen and will be ready to use. That's it. You've successfully installed an APK in BlueStacks.